Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. If you ever wondered how to get free MP3 songs or music for your videos or just want some royalty free tracks to download directly to your files, you are in the right place. In this guide, I am going to show you how to download MP3 audio straight from YouTube, no third party tools, no sketchy sites, just clean, safe and free music. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Alright, first thing first, visit youtube.com and head on to the top right corner of your screen. Click on the profile picture and if you are not signed in already, go ahead and log in. From the drop down menu, select YouTube Studio. This is where all the behind the scenes stuff happens for your channel. Once you are inside YouTube Studio, take a look at the menu on the left hand side. Scroll down a little and click the creator music. For me, it's in beta. This section is a goldmine for content creators. You will find hundreds of tracks that are completely free to use even on monetized videos. Here, switch to Home tab. Click on the View Free Tracks or switch to Free tab here. Now you will see a long list of songs. Want to hear what a track sounds like? Just click on the play button. Once you find a track you like, head over to the right side and click on the three dots and click download. Boom, your download starts instantly. After it's downloaded, you can locate the file either in your browser's download bar or by opening File Explorer and heading to your downloads folder. And just like that, the music is yours to use however you like, completely free and copyright safe. So that's it, a super simple way to download MP3 songs from YouTube. Perfect for YouTube videos, reels or even personal projects. That's all for this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.